luxurious bus, top speed, best crew, hygienic rest stop. Hey guys, welcome back to VM Blog. This is me Vinod here, and I hope you all are fine. I'm also fine, and I request you all to be safe in this pandemic. Hope everything comes back to normal. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and at the same time, 83% of the people, those who are watching our video, they are not subscribing. It's very shocking to me, and I request those who are new to the channel, please don't subscribe simply. You can go and watch my old videos. If you like it, if you like my content, then surely subscribe it. So guys, in this video I'm going to share my experience about a particular journey. So it happened in the last year at the end of August, from Mumbai to Bangalore. So I traveled in Orange Tours and Travels Volvo Celeste. It's a luxury premium class bus. This whole video we are going to see about this bus, why it's special, and why for me this bus is always a special bus. Let me first tell you about this bus. It's a Volvo Celeste B11R sleeper bus, and it's a luxurious sleeper in this route, especially from both ends, whether it's a Mumbai or it's a Bangalore. From both ends, departures at 4 p.m. and the timing is fixed. It was a fine afternoon. At that day I was in a hurry to catch this bus. Me along with one of my friend, his name is Mukesh. I and my friend Mukesh, we had our lunch, and around 3:15 I got a call from Orange Travels crew. I was very shocked. It was the first time experience for me. The crew calling and telling that our bus has reached almost near to the boarding point, and we will be arriving in 15 minutes. They told like that, and already they have sent the GPS. Everything was perfect. The crew talked like, "Sir, good afternoon, sir. We are speaking from Orange Travels," like that, and it was like very professional. Entering the bus, I was very excited, even though I have traveled before in this Orange Travels, but it was a different bus, the same Celeste but different bus from Bangalore to Mumbai. My expectation was higher again, because I have a good experience in that Bangalore Mumbai bus, so I was more excited, and I was telling to my friend like, this bus is one of the most luxurious and best bus in this route, and he was also very excited, and it was since ever Celeste travel for him. So sharply the bus reached our boarding point at 3:30, and we boarded our bus, and it was 1715. Yes, 1715, a maroon color livery, white with maroon. After boarding the bus, the time was around 3:45 only. Not even a 15 minutes of journey has completed. Suddenly I was not feeling well. Suddenly I was suffering from severe headache along with vomiting sensation. So I thought, okay, something is going to happen. I'm going to take vomit. So what I did was, okay, chalo, we'll go to the cabin and inform. And I just informed my friend that I'm not feeling well. Suddenly I'm feeling like vomiting sensation. Can you give me any cover so that I can vomit in that? And he just took a cover and he gave me, and I just holded that cover, and I just vomited in that cover, and a small amount of vomit spit it over that screen, and I was feeling very guilty, and just went to the cabin and informed that I am not feeling well. Suddenly a vomiting sensation came, and I just took the vomit. Along with the attender, what they told me, "Sir, chalega, it's not a problem. Are you fine right now?" I told I was somewhat I'm okay, but that vomiting sensation has not stopped yet. I may vomit again. So they told, okay, no problem, you just sit here in cabin holding that cover. If vomit comes, means just inform us, I will stop the bus, they told. And again they just stopped the bus for me, and I told, "Sir, I'm not feeling well, can you please stop?" They told, "Yeah, it's not a problem." And it's a pure city, very traffic area, where it was a 15-meter bus. You can't even stop there. But the drivers and the crew members, they told, "It's okay, no problem, we'll be moving the bus slowly. You just vomit inside the bus," they told. And I just get down and I vomited. I was having one bottle already, So I just cleaned everything and I was somewhat okay after that. I just get it into the bus. Crew were telling that okay, we'll see if any medical store comes in, we'll stop and we'll buy a tablet for you. If you are okay, you can go into your seat. If you are not feeling well, you just sit here. They told. I told okay, I will sit for 15 minutes over here. And after that, I told that I have already done vomiting near my berth, so I have to clean that. Can you give me? I will clean. I told, and they told no. It's not your duty to clean. So the highlighting thing was I just told sorry for this incident. I vomited inside the bus. So can you give me any water or something I can wash? It's not a problem. I told. They told, sir, strictly no, sir. We should not wash. Our duty to take care of our customers. Okay, you are a passenger. You are a customer. So you don't need to do these activities. Will do. You don't worry. And that guy, that attender, just showed in the place where I wanted it, and he just saw it. He just washed everything. What the attender did was he just removed that screen and he replaced it with a new screen, and he sprayed over that area and he washed everything. Everything was perfect. So after everything was okay, the bus stopped at 5 p.m. in Nishisagar Food Court. So let me tell you about this Nishisagar Food Court. It's a very big food stall. Which is located in Pune-Mumbai Expressway, and this one is before the Ghats while going towards Pune. So for both Pune to Mumbai travelers and Mumbai to Pune travelers, the best place for refreshment. You told we will be stopping for 15 minutes and just go and drink some lemon juice or something so that you can feel more better. And the main scene was now only, it was Western Ghats. The Western Ghats, I love Western Ghats. If you have not traveled yet, I request you, please travel. This Western Ghats have a beautiful scenery along with a tunnel. We will be entering into a tunnel, beautiful scenery, many waterfalls are there. By road you can see everything. It's a best one to have a ride. It's one of the best highway, I think. If you're a motor rider, if you are a bus lover, if you're a travel freak, whatever may be. So if you love by road journey, I request you, please don't miss this highway in your futures. Okay, then after the end of this Ghat section, it was around 7 p.m. I think, yes, 7 p.m. We entered Pune and many boarded, everything was over. And after that, after the Pune, there comes a Ghat section, same like Ghat section. At the finish of that Ghat, there is a hotel called Daulat Pure Veg. There only they stopped for our dinner break. So Daulat Hotel, it's a pure veg hotel. The price was reasonable, everything was good. Even washroom was okay, average. Not that much hygienic, but average. Everything was good. It's a family restaurant. It was a good hotel for a dinner halt, and the dinner halt was around 30 minutes only. And around 9 p.m. we started our journey towards Bangalore again, and I slept around 10 p.m. and when I opened my eyes after a deep sleep, I saw we have crossed Chitradurga. After crossing Chitradurga, there is a place called Hiriur, 6:15 for a 30 minutes break at Aroma Hotel. So that hotel was also a good one. At a time, around 20 to 30 members can go for a washroom. That much big washroom and hygienic one. Along with tea, coffee, everything was fine. So all the three rest of this journey, whether it's a Nishisagar Food Court, Daulat or this Aroma, everything was perfect. And the main thing was, this bus is the only bus, I think, doing hundreds in the whole journey. So 9 a.m. sharply, we were dropped at Anand Rao Circle. So the entire journey, if you look at the entire journey, it took just 16 hours for us, almost 16 hours only. Now I have almost 6 to 7 journeys in the same route. I never saw a bus covering Mumbai, Bangalore. I think this is the only bus which covers this distance in 16 hours. It's a very fast and it's a very fastest, luxurious bus. Best bus in this route I prefer. It's the best bus in many aspects. If you see in a bus fans aspects, surely you will get a cabin, right? There are two pairs of this bus. One is 1713, 1714, 1715, and another one is 4942. It's a stars one. Okay, 3 Celestia and 1 stars is running. Each bus crew is very friendly and they will allow you for cabin rides. So as a common passenger, definitely you people will also love it, because if you are a family member, if you are going with children, so when it comes to entertainment thing, this bus contains a TV. Everyone have an individual TV. It's controlled individually by you only. It's 100% in your control only. If you want to watch a cricket, you can watch cricket. If you want to watch a cartoon, if you have a small children along with you, if they want to watch cartoons, you have cartoons. If you want to listen to any songs, you have songs. If you want to listen to any video songs, even video songs they have. So in entertainment area they have covered everything. And after that, the speed, I think 100 easily 100. It goes easily hundreds, and the rest stops, crew, everyone, everything. And I personally recommend this bus is one of the best bus. And one more thing, this bus is the costliest in this route. When I traveled, the fare was around 1600 and now it's nearly 2000, and this is the only bus in this route having 2000 rupees as a price, but it's a worthy one. The 2000 which you are giving, it's very worthy for your ride. So I hope you people enjoyed this video. Yes, I really enjoyed while traveling, but unfortunately I have not uploaded the video because some portion of the videos got deleted. I hope you would have enjoyed this video, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Vinod.